Hey Happy Bees! This week I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make fondant baby blocks. And if you're making these along with me, you can find links in the description below for everything that you need to make these baby blocks at home. So let's get started. So I wanted my baby blocks to be quite big, so I've got a large chunk of fondant and I've rolled it into a thick sausage shape. And now I'm going to take a small non-stick rolling pin and just roll it on 4 sides so that it creates kind of like a cube shape. You're going to lift up both ends and just flatten it against your surface. Trim your ends off with a knife and mark where you're going to cut these into squares. Now leave those to the side to dry off a little bit while we create the letters for our blocks. So to create the letters for our baby blocks, I'm using these Tappet alphabet cutters. Again, these are linked below. I've rolled out some modelling paste as thin as possible. And the way that these cutters work is you place your chosen letter over your modelling paste, press down, and normally you would press to stamp these letters out. But it creates an outline in the letter and I kind of want these letters to be plain, so I'm using my knife to peel these off. I'm going to leave these to the side to dry while we finish off shaping our blocks. So your blocks should be kind of dry on the outside now, which is why I like to leave them for a little while. It just makes them a lot easier and less sticky to work with. So now you're going to take 2 cake smoothers, put your block in the centre, and you're going to be quite rough with this poor little block. You're going to smack it with both sides of your paddle at the same time. And just keep turning your block over and repeating this process until you get it into a nice square cube shape. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show me some happy bee love and pollinate that subscribe button. Until next week, I'm Amanda and this is Happy Bee Cakes. And remember, keep creating. It can brighten up someone else's day and it makes memories in the process. See you next week. Bye, guys.